So don't worry about the word, phrase, or sentences and write.
Teaching writing using hip-hop.
Spark another light. This is the rough draft nobody sees.
Educators from arts-infused schools from across the district had the opportunity to take part in a high-energy, interactive professional development over Zoom.
And freeze, 2 bars.
The bar's learning writing process through hip-hop workshop shows educators how they can use hip-hop music as a teaching tool.
When you're trying to get young people to be creative, sometimes it's best to start with the topic that they're used to. And hip-hop has always been about an underrepresented community who is like, look at me, I'm valuable, I'm worth something. And I just take that same energy and I give it to the students, and they use hip hop to talk about themselves and get comfortable with the writing process before we go on to something more complicated like the topics they're working on in class.
During the workshop, the hip hop artist and educator shared raps and dances that he created to help teachers understand ways to use hip hop songwriting to engage students. He also shared his 3 ideas about writing.
The only answer that's wrong is the answer that's blank. Writers don't make mistakes, we make discoveries, and do not edit in your head. All right, those are the 3 things that most students think cause their writer's block, and I spend a lot of time just breaking down those walls and making them feel comfortable sharing whatever ideas they have. Even their bad ideas, if we start with quote-unquote bad ideas, we can always rearrange and remix those ideas into better ideas, and we spend a lot of time doing that.
Teachers had fun writing raps about themselves.
I'm a classic, I go by Corey. From New York, you'll get my story.
And the music instructor at Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts can't wait to take what she learned and use it with her students.
Almost a native on HHI, love my surroundings, the waves amplify. As a music teacher, I've always had time where I've been writing with my students. What I've taken away from this is the process of how to do it and to put it down and to break it down into simple ways, so that, and the drafting and the editing, and it's just a fun process, and the kids are learning without even realize they're learning.
The workshop was offered through the Art Center of Coastal Carolina and the Kennedy Center's Partners in Education program. This year, the organizations wanted to focus on creative writing and thought this workshop would be perfect for Beaufort County educators.
Our teachers from all different grade levels could really take these techniques that he's teaching and reach out and get the kids involved and have them where they're really engaged and they're learning about the writing process.
To make sure your ideas can evolve and spread, do not edit in your head.
At Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Not
Edit in your head.